we've got a great piece of software that is helping us communicate changes requested from clients, changes that we're requesting or suggesting on current web pages that we're developing. I want to show exactly what the process looks like, how to get into it. It's really simple. It's as simple as checking your email. So the first thing that you're going to see is we're going to actually send out a custom link to your email that you can click on. So let's hop over to another screen. I've got my Gmail pulled up over here, and you can see, so this is more or less what the email is going to look like. I'm going to have some text here. It's going to be from me, Casey Kunkel. It's going to come from casey@myaddad.com. Okay. And I'm going to have some text here, but this is the important part. It's this link. So this link, we're going to go ahead and click on the link. You see it opens it up in a brand new tab. We're going to go ahead and add our name, John Doe, and click review. That's it. You don't have to create an account. You don't have to log into anything. You just put your name. And the reason we got to put your name is so that we can see who's requesting the edit. So you'll see here are the different tools we can use. These three dots bring in and out the comment section. And so let's make our first comment. Let's say right away I notice that, the CCB number is actually incorrect. We can pin a comment. So boom, we can click a comment right there and we can say, CCB is not correct. Please change to number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We click save. When we open the comment section back up, we can see that John Doe has now made a comment. CCB is not correct. If you still made an error, you can edit that and add the different digits. Click save. Boom. And now it's tagged. So let's put those comments away. Let's scroll down onto the site a little bit more. And let's say we don't want this to have a question mark, because we don't want it. Let's use our little box tool. We can actually draw a box around it. Boink. Let's write a comment. Delete. If I could spell, you guys, it would really help. Question mark. Save. Now let's open our comments back up. And there's the second comment. You can see it's numbered 1, number 2. Now, if I actually click back on this first comment, it's going to scroll the page back up. If I click this comment, it scrolls us to that. Okay, great. Let's say we want to jump to another page. So let's go to the services page. There we go. We're on the services page. We scroll down. Let's find something. Okay, so let's say right here, for an example, let's use our arrow tool. And let's draw an arrow. And you draw your arrow and you can kind of twist it around, draw it out. I was actually wanting to point to that. So this is actually good. We can actually say, I don't like this icon. Please change. And don't worry, if your arrow isn't in the right spot, we can actually move the arrow around. So even if you mess up drawing the arrow, I can move the arrow around. And again, we can click the 3 dots, come back in here, and we can see this. I don't like. So here's something really cool. When you're in here and you're done and you have multiple requests on multiple pages, I can click this and click on it again, and it takes us again right to that comment. It's taking us back to the home page even. So you can see this piece of software is very simple. It's easy to use. It's going to really bridge the gap, that communication gap, and help us as you are in the process of designing your website with us. We want you to be involved in designing your website. It represents you. It represents your business. It represents your organization. We want you to be a part of that. And this is just a great way to visually show you and for you to give visual feedback to us so we can just communicate more concisely, more clearly, more quickly. One thing to keep in mind, every new link we send you to view that you're going to make comments on, every new revision, you're going to need to clear your browsing cache. I have a whole other video I'll send you on how to clear your browsing cache in Chrome, in Edge, in Firefox, whatever browser you're using, it'll show you how to clear that cache. Very important. You're going to have to clear that cache in order to see the updated revisions. If you don't clear the cache, you're going to look in here and go, Casey, you didn't change anything. Every single thing I asked for you to change hasn't been changed. That's very simple. We just have to clear your browsing cache. So that's in the next video that you can view to show you how to do that.